Ever met someone who learns things super fast? Maybe they pick up a new skill in days while you're still struggling after weeks. What's their secret? It's not that they're smarter than you. They're unknowingly tapping into their subconscious mind. Video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same to learn faster, improve your memory, and study smarter, not harder. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also share a daily routine you can start using today. Our conscious mind is like a computer with RAM. It gets tired, distracted, and overloaded quickly. Subconscious mind, it never sleeps. It keeps recording, processing, and storing information, even while you're relaxing or sleeping. Have you noticed how sometimes you wake up with a solution to a problem you couldn't figure out the night before? That's your subconscious heavy lifting. The key to faster learning is not forcing more information into your conscious mind, but programming your subconscious to absorb it effortlessly. One of the best ways to train your subconscious is through visualization. Instead of only reading or repeating, see yourself already succeeding. For example, if you're preparing for an exam, imagine sitting confidently in the exam hall, writing answers with clarity. If you're learning guitar, close your eyes and picture your fingers moving smoothly across the strings. Here's the magic. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. The more vividly you visualize with feelings of excitement and success, the faster your brain rewires itself for that skill. Olympic athletes use this technique daily, and so can you. Another powerful tool is affirmations. Here's what most people don't realize. Programming their subconscious minds every single day, often in the wrong direction. They say things like, I'm bad at math. I have a poor memory. I can't focus. Subconscious doesn't argue, listens, and accepts it as truth. So what happens? It makes it true. But here's the good news. You can flip the script. Feed your mind new thoughts, empowering ones. Try this instead. I learn quickly and easily. My memory is strong and reliable. I enjoy learning new things every day. Say it often enough, and your subconscious will start to believe it. And when that happens, it begins to shift. Here's a trick memory champions use. Information to images and stories. Because your subconscious, it loves visuals and it remembers emotions. Let me show you how it works. Say you want to remember a simple shopping list. Bread, milk, apples. Just repeat words. That's boring. Your brain won't care. Instead, make it unforgettable. Yes, a giant loaf riding a cow. The cow is spilling milk everywhere, and apples are falling from the sky. Sounds silly, right? But your subconscious will remember that because it's visual, it's emotional, and it's weird enough to stick. Now here's another tip. When you study, break your sessions into 25-minute sprints. Then take a short break. Why? Because during those breaks, conscious keeps working. It keeps processing the material. Almost like your brain is studying without you. Smart, right? I once read about a student who kept failing math. Test after test, failure after failure. But instead of giving up, he made one powerful shift. He started visualizing himself solving problems effortlessly. And every day he repeated affirmations like, I understand math quickly. I'm getting better every day. Just study harder. He studied smarter. He used short, focused study bursts with intentional breaks. In just a few months, his grades transformed. Because he doubled his study hour, but because he trained his subconscious to believe in his ability. So, simple daily routine for you. 10 minutes of visualization in the morning. 5 minutes of affirmations before bed. Study and focus 25-minute blocks. Do a quick review before sleep. Stick to this, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at how fast your learning speed increases. Remember, your subconscious mind is the most powerful study partner you'll ever have. Rests, it never argues. It just follows the instructions you give it. So start programming it with confidence, with focus, and with success. If this video helped you, hit the like button and someone who needs this right now. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, we're diving into how your dreams reveal powerful messages from your subconscious. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.